Welcome back to a new Tecnoguías video. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a template to share on Instagram. The first thing we are going to do is open our Instagram application and we are going to go to where it says history here. Your history and go to the post. Take a photo. Okay, go where we can edit, we can draw, but add your template and press a GIF. For example, this draw. Here I draw total screen. Okay, done. Add a gift. For example, this. And we can add a notify here. Create a template. Next. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will be ready. Let's up here, and this will be all. Thanks for seeing once again. You're always true worthy guy.